So my name's Viva. I am an artist, a musician and a DJ.
My name's Ash. I DJ under Ashra.
My name's Cal aka Cal Jada.
Soho Radio means to me creative community.
Definitely represents eclecticism, quality and good vibes.
Both the underground of London's music scene, but also the established, and it's just got such a diverse roster of DJs and artists. JOIA is such a spectacularly gorgeous space.
It creates a sort of sense of wonder, and I think that also does feed into your one's DJ sets.
The amazing views of the iconic Battersea power station. And the crowd as well. Every time I've played here, there's been smiling faces. Clearly people are enjoying themselves, enjoying the food, the amazing cocktails here.
But more than anything, just to see people kind of unite on the dance floor and let loose and feel free to dance. For me, it's all about that. It's like selecting the tunes that make people feel so compelled that they can't help but engage, forget our ego and just come together and enjoy.